In this video, I am going to explain about logical operators. Before that, I need to explain something about the comparational operators. Then you can easily understand something about the logical operators. So, here comparational .html, control B. So here I am going to explain about the comparational operators. Comparational operators are also called as logical operators. Sorry, comparational operators are also called as relational operators. For example, here I am having one script tag, and inside a script tag where a is equal to, I am having a, I don't want to do like this. For example, in easy way I am trying to explain here. For example, I am having a like a document dot write ln I am having. So I am trying to like check, I am having 100. After the like 100, I am having one more thing, double is equal to I am having. Double is equal to means it is a one of the comparational operator. Means it will check the conditions. For example, after is equal to I am having a 200. If you observe here, what I am doing is I am comparing the this 100 with the like 200 with the help of the is equal to operator. Double is equal to is nothing but one of the comparational operator. It will check whether the two values are equal or not. Means here this 100 is the like one of the value and 200 is the like one more value. Here using this double is equal to, I am checking whether two values are equal or not. If it is a both values are equal, then we will get the condition as a true. If the both values are not equal, we will get the false as a value. Just observe here. I am going to click on right click, then observe here. Why you are getting the false? Because here the 100 is not equal to the 200. So now what I am doing is, for example, this is I am making as a 200. 200 means 200 double is equal to 200 means both values are now equal. If it is equal means we will get the output as a true only, because 200 double is equal to 200. 200 and 200 both values are equal. So in this situation you will get the value as a true. What I mean to say here is double is equal to is nothing but one of the comparational operator. Using the double is equal to, you can check the whether the two values are equal or not. For example, here the 200 you are having 200 double is equal to 200, then both values are equal, so you can get output as a true. But one more condition I am writing here, document dot write ln, inside what I am doing, 100 double is equal to 300 I have written. Observe here. In between this I am going to print, I am going to give the like one break, br. Observe. For first one you will get the boolean condition true, but for second one you will get the boolean condition false. The reason is 200 is equal to the like 200, means this 200 and this 200 both are equal. But in the second condition 100 will not equal to the like 300. So here double is equal to is going to check the whether the two values are equal or not. So in this case you will get the first one as a true and second one you will get the false. Okay. And one more thing. Document dot write ln of same these two things I am going to give here. but instead of equal to operator I am giving the not equal to. This one means not equal to operator. What it is saying is 200 is not equal to the 200. But in this case what we are doing, 200 is almost 100% equal to the 200 only. Means this is equal to operator will give the Boolean condition true. But the same thing what we are doing is we are checking that condition with the help of the one more operator. For example, this is nothing but a not equal to operator. 200 is not equal to the 200. So in this case you will get the output you will get as a false. Here you can get, if you want you can check here. But after that here what I am given is I am giving this one. So here we are having the 200 is not equal to 200. So here you will definitely get as a false, you can able to get here, because both values are true. So in this case you will get the Boolean condition as a true, and in this case 100 will not equal to the 300. So here you will get the false as a output, and here also you will get the true. Here you will get, because both values are this comparational operator itself, it is saying something as 100 and 300 is not equal. So you will get the, for first one you will get the true, and second one you will get the false, and third one you will get the false, and fourth one you will get the true as a value. Check here. 200 double is equal to 200. Yes, both are equal. So you can get the true as a value. But 100 double is equal to 300. These two values are not equal. So you will get the output as a false. And here one more thing what you are doing is, double is equal to is nothing but a comparational operators. Means you are checking whether the two values are equal or not. But in case of the here in the 12 line, you are using the not equal to operator. Not equal to operator means 200 is not equal to the 200 is not equal to the 200, like that I have given. So here in this case you will get the false as a one of the output. And fourth condition in the 16th line, 100 is not equal to the 300 I have given. So yes, both values are not equal. So you will get the true as a one of the value only. And in the same way I am going to use the for example, this double is equal to operator will check the only whether two values are equal or not. But it won't check the whether the both values are different data type or whether it is the same data type. It is not having the any capability. For example, here 200 is nothing but a number data type, and here whatever I am having the 200, so this one I have given inside a double quotations. If you are giving the anything inside a double quotation means it is a string data, means it is not a number data type. Means this 200 is related to the string data type, and this 200 is related to the number data type. Means this double is equal to operator will check the whether the two values are equal or not. But this double is equal to operator will not able to check whether the two values data types are equal or not. It can't able to check. So even though both data types are different, but in this case you will get the true as a value only. True as a value you can able to get. But instead of double is equal to, if you write the triple is equal to means it is a one of the comparational operator. It will check whether the two values are equal or not. Means this 200 and this 200 both are equal. Second condition, it will check whether the two values are related to the same data type or not. This 200 is related to the number type, this 200 related to the string type. So both data types are, both values are equal, but both data types are different. So here in this case you will get the false as a output. Observe here false. Why you are getting the false means double is equal to will check if you. So if you are giving the double is equal to means it will check the whether the two values are equal or not, that's it. But it can't able to check whether the both values are related to the same data type or different data type, it can't able to check. That's why 200 double is equal to inside a double quotation 200, both values are same but different data types. Even though different data types, if you are using the double is equal to operator means it can't able to find out this one. But in case of the triple is equal to operator, it will check whether the both values are equal or not. At the same time, whether the both values data types are equal or not also it will check. So in case of the triple is equal to operator, you will get the false as a output. In the same way, here I am giving the like a okay, and here what I am using is double is equal to not operator I am using. For example, it is a triple is equal to, and it will check the whether the both values are equal or not, as well as both values are same data type or not. And one more thing here, I am giving a one more thing called as one more is equal to I am giving, means it is not a equal to operator, means it is saying something about it will check the both values are equal or not. At the same time it will check the whether the both data types are equal or not, it will check. Means it will give the like positive value but it will give the negative values. For example 200 not equal to, then here I have given the like 200, then you will get the something called as 1 minute. You can check here. So instead of doing this one, I am going to give the like comment here. For example, here I am giving document dot write ln. Here I am having like 200 double is equal to I am using 200. Double is equal to operator will check the whether the two values are equal or not. That's it. So check here. I am having the 200 double is equal to 200. Then output you will get true, because double is equal to will check the whether the two values are equal or not. But inside a double quotations, I have written the 200. This double quotation 200 is belongs to the string data type. This 200 related to the number data type. Means both data types are different, but values are same. So even though both data types are different, double is equal to operator cannot able to check it. So in this case, still it will give the true as output only. Okay, but observe here whatever we are getting the true, in case of the triple is equal to operator we will get the false. The reason is here I am using the triple is equal to. Triple is equal to means it will check the whether the both values are equal or not, as well as both data types are equal or not. For example 200 is related to the number data type, and here the 200 is related to the string data type. I mean both values are same but its data type is different. So in this case we will get the false as a output. Okay, this is one condition. Next, document dot write ln of 100 is not equal to 200. I am giving what I am doing, I am giving 100 is not equal to the 200 I have written. Means this 100 is not, this is nothing but a not equal to operator. Not equal to operator means if the both values are not equal, then we will get the true as a output. If the both values are true, if the both values are not equal, we will get the false as a output, true as a output. If the both values are equal, then we will get the false as a output. So in this case you can observe here, For first one we are getting the like false, and for second one we will getting the true. Means here the both values are not equal. But here observe, instead of giving that 200 directly, inside a double quotations I have written the like this one. This one means it will check the whether the both values are equal or not, as well as it will check the both data types are different or not. One is the false and one is the true. Here the both values are different data types and both values are not equal. So that's why you are getting the true. And one more thing, I am going to do something, document dot write ln, and here for example 100 is greater than like 200 I have written. So here document dot write ln method I am taking, inside a double quotations one br I have written. You can check here. What I am doing is it is nothing but a greater than operator. Greater than means it is what it is doing is this 100 is greater than 200. So here condition is not true. Here we will get false as a output only we will get. Okay, then you can check here. Yeah, false you are getting. The second condition I am you going to use the same values but different operator. Observe here. This is a greater than or equal to greater than operator. It is a less than operator. Now in this case 100 is not greater than 200. So here we will get the false. But in down I mean in the next line, in the 27th line, 10 is very less value compared to the like 200. So here we will get the true as a true value we will get it. True value we can able to get it. For first one we will get the like false, for second one we will get a true. In the same way I am going to use the less than or is equal to as well as two things I am going to use. For example 100 is at least it is equal to the like 100 or less than or is equal to you are giving here. Sorry, greater than or is equal to you are giving. So in this case we will get the true as a value because it has to this 100 whatever we are having the 100, this 100 is at least it has to equal with this 100 or at least this value is greater than to this one. So here the like both values are equal. So both values are equal as well as not greater than. So in this condition you will get the true as a output only. And in this condition, even though we have written the like less than or is equal to, but here this 100 is not equal to the this 200. At least this 100 is not I mean greater value than the 200. So here we will get the false only. Sorry, here 200 is like a greater value, that's why we are getting here. So these are called as comparational operators. So we are having the comparational operators. One is we are having the double is equal to operator, and one more we are having the triple is equal to operator. And double is equal to operator will check the whether the two values are equal or not, but triple is equal to will check the whether the both the data types are different or equal. It will check all the things. So these are called as the comparisonal operator. One is the triple is equal to operator, one is the double is equal to operator, this is the not equal to operator, this is also not equal to operator, and this is the like greater than operator, less than operator, greater than or is equal to, less than or is equal to. These are called as comparisonal operator. So please try to practice. If you practice, then you can able to understand clearly.